So welcome to Life Hacks with the Tipman. Really appreciate you being here. I think I've got some pretty good tips for you this week. The tips range from how not to get mucus on your birthday cake, which is kind of disgusting, and also how to deal with those annoying LED lights all over your bedroom at night so you can kind of deal with that Christmas tree effect that's going on in your room. Anyway, hey, again, appreciate you being here. Don't be a stranger. Please subscribe. It's free, painless, and on with the show. If you've ever been to a birthday party, I'm sure you've experienced some kid blowing out a candle on the birthday cake, and you thought to yourself, oh my gosh, that's kind of disgusting. There's all kinds of stuff that kid just blew all over that birthday cake. Well, interestingly, Clemson University did a study some years ago and found that when you blow out a birthday candle on a birthday cake, you increase the bacteria count on top of the cake by 1,400%. Not 100%, not 200%, not 1,400%. So bottom line, it's not a healthy thing to do. So if you're ever at a birthday party and they say, hey, make a wish and blow out the candle, go ahead and make your wish. But instead of blowing out the candle, just grab a clean spoon and just tap it. It puts the candle out. That way everyone else there at the party can go ahead and eat the cake and not be getting part of your mucus. Hey, the other thing too is I know there are people out there going, well, yeah, okay, that's great for an adult, but I have a 3-year-old kid and there's no way they're going to blow it out. Well, I've got a solution for you. Okay, what you do is you go buy a candle snuffer, and they come in all types. I mean, you name it, they make a candle snuffer, and they're cheap. They're like under 20 bucks. I actually have some links below to some different kinds. This one actually looks like a rose. You give it to your child and say, hey, we're gonna go ahead and use a candle snuffer and you get to keep this as part of your birthday. And so the child just goes up there and snuffs the candle out. Again, no mucus over the birthday cake. I really like this tip. There are a lot of chopstick tips out there, a lot of them really good. This one's actually probably my favorite. If you're ever trying to store something in your refrigerator and you have some unusual containers, especially in containers that don't have lids on them, and you're like, okay, how can I stack these two? Chopsticks can do it. You just put 2 chopsticks on there, put more if you want, and you can just go and put the bowl on there. Works great. Something I actually like doing in addition to this is you can actually put rubber bands on your chopsticks. Just adds more security. This thing's not going to roll off. Tip works amazingly well. I will tell you, chopsticks, you can use them as grilling skewers. You can use them to pit cherries and olives. You can actually use them to go ahead and test pasta. Just kind of reach the chopsticks in there to grab the pasta out. But my all-time favorite chopstick hack, though, is eating Cheetos. I mean, who wants an orange hand? I mean, come on, chopsticks work great. I am really blessed in that I get to live near the beach, and I like to go to the beach all the time. The best beach umbrella on the market, bar none, I mean, this is the best, is the Beachbub. And here's some images of it on the beach. Link is below. So this was invented by a guy, I believe it was in North Carolina a few years ago. This thing can withstand 40-mile-per-hour winds, which is amazing because most umbrellas you buy for the beach, any kind of gust of wind at all, and they're gone. I don't know how many times I've seen people chasing down umbrellas on the beach. Something you may not know, people actually die every year from being impaled by a beach umbrella.
What?
I am serious about this. Thousands of people in the US are injured, okay? Beachbub, it's like 170 bucks. Yes, it's twice as expensive as all the rest of them, but I'm telling you, you take this thing, set it up, it won't fly away, works great every time. The only tip I'm gonna add to this is when you get the Beachbub, it comes with a little weenie shovel that you have to use to no man, kill that shovel. You need to get a more manly shovel to go in there. Yes, it's heavier, but I'm telling you, you can set this thing up a whole lot faster. Hey, I do get asked the question a lot, what is the best beach chair on the market? The Shibumi beach chair, link below, is the absolute best. Even Forbes, Travel and Leisure, Wirecutter, they all agree it's the best. You gotta check that thing out. You know, LED lights in your bedroom used to not really bother me, but now I guess I have so many electronics in there with LED lights that, man, literally, it's like a Christmas tree in my bedroom. There's some things you can do to dim those lights. One, you can get duct tape or electrical tape and just completely cover them over. However, if you want to be able to know if that LED is on, but you just don't want it to be so bright, you can get a product called Light Dims, and they're under 20 bucks. I've got the link for it below. And basically what it is they're little stickers that can dim the light anywhere from 50% all the way up to 90%. So you can cut as much of the light out as you want. These stickers work amazingly well. They look good. They actually even have a bigger sticker if you have one of those big old LED clocks. It does the same thing. I will tell you the poor man version of that, if you don't want to spend the 20 bucks on light dims, you can actually get some Scotch tape, cover the LED, and then take a permanent marker and just mark on it to your heart's content to get it to the right dimness. It works. I still prefer the light dims. They're better. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope these tips were helpful to you. Please subscribe, but more importantly, give me feedback. Let me know if there's some tip you want me to test out or if you think I got something wrong. Anyway, have a great week. Eat.